10 strategies on how to reclaim your youthful good looks. Skincare, sunscreen, healthy diet, hydration, keys to youthful looks. Exercise, sleep, manage stress, rejuvenate inside out for youthfulness. Antioxidants, vitamins, nutrients, nourish for a glowing, youthful complexion. Limit alcohol, tobacco, prevent premature aging. Good posture, confidence. Professional treatments, peels, microdermabrasion for targeted results. Retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, rejuvenate and refresh skin. Self-care, inner and outer beauty for a radiant look. Holistic approach, balance physical, mental, emotional well-being. Empower, enhance confidence, radiate youthfulness.